What's up, Evo World players? Rocket, today I've got something huge for you, brand new bonus codes and a chance to grab free gems, so stick around till the end. What's up, Evo World players? Rocket, today.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Rocket, today I'm going to show you how to get free gems in evoworld.io and some amazing tips to grow faster. If you want to level up your creature and unlock cool skins, make sure you watch this video till the end. Gem sparkles first. Let's talk about gems. Gems are super important in evoworld.io because they help you unlock upgrades, skins, and evolve faster. But a lot of players don't know the best ways to collect them for free. Here are the top 3 methods to get gems in evoworld.io. Keycap 1 daily rewards. Log in every single day and claim your free gems. Don't skip, because rewards increase the longer you log in. Keycap 2 special events. During events and updates, Evo World gives bonus gems. Always check the event page. Keycap 3 watch ads and bonus offers. This is the easiest way to get quick gems without spending money. Just watch ads when they pop up and collect your rewards. Here's a pro tip: fire play in crowded servers. The more players you eat, the faster you evolve, and the more chances you have to get gems from rewards. Stay smart, avoid stronger players, and keep farming, and that's it, guys. That's how you can get free gems in evoworld.io in 2025. If this helped you out, don't forget to smash the like button, thumbs up, subscribe bell, and drop a comment saying, free gems, to join my next giveaway. Gem, Mike. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Evo World adventure.